Here is how you can edit videos with Picsart. Yes, you asked for video editing on our web product and we've delivered it. A fully functional video timeline editing with layers, streaming, drag and drop, you name it. It's all available. Let's check it out. Picsart.com, click Start New Design, and for this case let's start from blank canvas so we can go step by step. We will start from resizing the canvas to a YouTube format. So I need 190/20 to 180. So here it is for YouTube. And now that the canvas is ready for the size, let's upload our materials. To do that, let's go to Uploads, click Upload, and then choose all the videos that we have for our editing. In this case, I've created a short YouTube video about Lego for my vlog channel, and I have all my different pieces ready so I can edit them, remove the bloopers, trim them, stitch them to create a very interesting, engaging short video that I can post on YouTube, TikTok and other platforms. Now that all the videos are uploaded to my drive, I can start selecting each asset, adding it to my project and editing, starting with the intro. So here I add it to my timeline, I resize it to fit the canvas, and then I can extend the timeline to see all the new features and the layers. So here you can see I can move the playhead, click play and listen to it.
Here are 5 facts about Lego I bet you never know.
So you can see that it has this first part when I'm walking in and the second part when I'm walking out. And what I can do, I can simply remove those parts. I can put the playhead here. And before I start talking, I can simply split and delete the first part. So here we can see.
Here are 5 facts about Lego I bet you never know.
And then I can trim the end part. So I can just drag it from here and trim it to the playhead. And here we have the intro.
Here are 5 facts about Lego I bet you never know.
Now that we have the intro, let's add fact number 1. So I add the footage in and I can drop it next to the intro, although I could leave it as a layover or B-roll if I needed to. So this is the footage.
Fact number 1. Initially, Lego was being built from wood and not plastic. It was the lack and shortage of wood materials that led the company to transition to plastic. It was the lack of wood. It was the complexity of wood production that caused Lego to switch to plastic.
So you can see I can do some bloopers, and that's how I usually create the videos. So I don't really need to cut every take because I can do it during the editing, and that's what I will do here. So I'll take that last part that worked well.
It was lack of.
Here it is. I'll split this part.
It was the complexity of wood production that caused Lego to switch to plastic.
And then I'll split again and remove the end part. Then I'll take this part where I start a fact. So here is the moment. I can again split, delete, and I can zoom in the timeline a little bit to make it more convenient to work. I can pinch to zoom, or I can slide to zoom, or I can enter any value.
I bet you never know. Fact number 1.
And I noticed that I didn't zoom to fit this video, so I can just make it a little bit more aggressive here.
About Lego I bet you never know. Fact number 1. Initially, Lego was being built from wood and not plastic. It was the lack and shortage of.
So from after the plastic, I need to split.
Plastic.
Remove this part. And now we have fact number 1 and the intro ready.
Here are 5 facts about Lego I bet you never know. Fact number 1. Initially, Lego was being built from wood and not plastic. It was the complexity of wood production that caused Lego to switch to plastic.
So we will again scale to fit this part as well. And now we can add the fact number 2.
Fact number 2. The largest Lego set by the piece count is the world map with over 11,000 piece count.
So I don't have bloopers in this one, so I'll just split the parts. Here is the moment.
To plastic. Fact number 2. The largest Lego set by the piece count is the world map with over 11,000 piece count.
So I'll trim it here to the end. And also I noticed some little pause in between my words. So you can see like after fact number 2 and the largest I have a gap.
Fact number 2. The largest...
And you know what? When viewers are watching the videos, they don't like pauses because that's the moment they decide to switch to another video or swipe. So what I like to do is I like to do this tight cut editing where I don't really have pauses. So let's do that. Let's zoom in the timeline because it's going to be a delicate work.
Fact number 2.
Here, we will split right after the word, then we will trim it right to the point where I say the.
Fact number 2. The largest Lego set by the piece count is the world map with over 11,000 piece count.
Okay, I like that. I'll trim the end part.
Piece count.
It's okay. Then I'll again scale this to fit my canvas like this way and also this one.
Piece count is the world map with over 11,000 piece count.
Let's now add the third fact.
At number 3, we have Lego Ideas Program and Lego Bricklink Designer Program, which are meant for the fans who want to go one step deep and create their own Lego sets that then can be produced and sold worldwide.
So this is the place where I need to split approximately. I can then trim it out again to fix. I can drop it right after the other part. And as you can see, this track is magnetic, meaning if I trim like this part, then it will take all the layers with it, so it's very convenient for video editing.
Bricklink Designer Program. At number 3, we have Lego Ideas Program and Lego Bricklink Designer Program, which are meant for the fans who want to go one step deep and create their own Lego sets that then can be produced and sold worldwide.
So I can split it from here. I can zoom again, and if I zoom it like a little bit more, that's called a zoom jump transition. And what I like to usually do is like jump 20% in and 20% out to keep the content engaging. So here you can see it.
Count is the world map with over 11,000 piece count. At number 3, we have Lego Ideas Program and Lego Bricklink Designer Program, which are meant for the fans who want to go one step.
Okay, let's add the fourth fact. Here, drop it here, and let's play it.
Fact number 4. At number 4, did you know that fact number 4 is the fact that Lego is being produced and has been created in Denmark.
So here are some bloopers. And I can remove this part and play.
And sold worldwide. At number 4, did you know that...
Oh, I missed the blooper, so I need to remove this as well.
Lego says that they can be produced and sold worldwide. Fact number 4 is...
I need to trim it in a bit to skip the pause.
Can be produced and sold worldwide. Fact number 4 is the fact that Lego is being produced and has been created in Denmark.
Here I can split the end part, remove it, and we can go to the last fact, but actually before the last fact I have a social hook, so let's fix the size for this and go to the social hook.
Before we reach the final fact, please hit a like and follow for this video and more videos to come.
So I'll put it in the timeline, find the start. Here it is. Split it.
Before we reach the last...
It was a blooper, so let me find this place and split and delete it.
Denmark. Before we reach the final fact, please hit a like and follow for this video and more videos to come.
So I'll split the end part here, and I think I trimmed too much in, so I'll trim it out a little bit here to not skip the B letter from before.
Created in Denmark. Before we reach the final fact, please hit a like and follow for this video and more videos to come.
Okay, so I can now resize this as well, and then go to the last fact.
Fact number 5. In 2017, LEGO created a new direction called icons, which was meant for the new audience that they didn't think would be the target for them, the adults. So-called 18 plus sets with a dark box packaging have become the most popular direction of LEGO so far, and adults are having crazy fun building their LEGO cities, their Starship collections, and more.
So here we have this part.
In Denmark.
So let's trim a bit.
Denmark. Fact number 5. In 2017, LEGO created a new direction called icons, which was meant for the new audience that they didn't think would be the target for them, the adults. So-called 18 plus sets with a dark box packaging have become the most popular direction of LEGO so far.
So after popular, I do pause. I need to remove it.
Have become the most popular.
Here it is, and then after the popular, I need to trim it a little bit here.
Direction of LEGO so far, and adults are having crazy fun building their LEGO cities, their Starship collections, and more.
So I can split it from here, remove, resize this. And then this, and I think we're going to be ready to post. In the end, I want to add some like vlog music as a background so that the video isn't too much rough. So I go to apps and I'll search for audio, and here we have some stock music that I can use. For example, we can use this one. I can add it, and then you can see we have full audio layering support, audio layer editing. I can decrease the volume to be like a background music, and here is the result.
Here are 5 facts about LEGO I bet you never know. Fact number 1. Initially, LEGO was being built from wood and not plastic.
And I can do more things if I want to. I can add intro titles, I can add transcription captions here so that you can also have auto captions here. A lot of functionalities and possibilities all are now available in Picsart.com web editor. Alright, that's it. If you want to learn more tips and tricks about Picsart, watch other videos and follow the channel for more.